We will save the receipts or invoices of our spending to the system through this screen. We click on the Create Expense Bills button. We click on the Create Expense Bill button. We determine the invoice company and continue by clicking on the Continue button. First of all, we write invoice number and invoice date. Due date comes automatically. However, if the due date is before the invoice date, the system will issue a warning. Attention! Since the currency is saved in the company information, it comes automatically. If there is a difference, you can edit it. Other boxes come automatically. The Notes field cannot be empty. The system gives a warning. You must fill. First of all, we select the relevant account code that we defined previously in the Settings field. We fill in the Invoice Item Name button. We determine the expense center. We also need to make sure that the unit box is correct, otherwise the system will give a warning. We select VAT and write the amount of the relevant expenditure in the Include VAT box. Afterwards, unit price and amount try boxes are filled automatically. You can continue your transaction by adding invoice item for different types of VAT. Then we click on the Save button. Clicking on the Available Invoice Item for the Company field on this screen that appears after saving. You can include invoice items pending on this company. Then we click on the Confirm button. You can make transactions through this menu opened with the Transaction button to recognize and cancel the invoice. Or you can click on the Plus button to the right of the record that occurs on the main page to make an accounting. You can use the Remove Confirmation button to remove the confirmation and re-edit it on the invoice. You can perform the transaction by clicking on the Recognize button on this page. You can also see the invoice with the Preview button. If you receive such a warning during the accounting stage, it means that it is necessary to make adjustments in the Invoice Items section. For this process, we click on the Settings button from the main page. We reach the Financial Items screen. We are looking for the invoice item we want to edit in the search field. We click on the Integration option opened in the Settings menu to the right of the invoice item. Integration is required for expense account of maintenance item, that is, purchase invoices. We select Account Type as Debit. Then, when we select and save the relevant accounting account, we will not encounter this warning for the maintenance item in the purchase invoices. If you receive such a warning during the accounting phase, it means that the company has not been integrated with the vendor account. To fix this error, we need to reach the CRM module. We click on the Companies button, where all the companies associated with your company are registered. We find the relevant company. We click on the arrow next to the Update button. In the window that opens, we access the Ledger Integration option. If it does not, it has not created an account plan. We click to Ledger Account. In the Main Account box, we select the relevant accounting account. Then we save. We have created an account plan, now we can fill out the Accounting Account box. Then we save. Our integration record is on the page. We will no longer experience this warning for the Nimbo Technology company.